And welcome back to my channel. So while I was preparing this, I figured I should just record a video of me doing this thing. So in this video, I am going to show you how I am creating the SEO optimized YouTube titles, the description, etc. for the exact YouTube video that you are watching now. So for us visual learners, essentially, I want to upload my first video to this channel, and I need the title, the description, all of these things I need to fill out. And so what I am going to do, I already have the list of my videos here. Ignore the color coding. So what I did is I am going to take a quick screenshot. I've already taken this screenshot, but I'm just taking a screenshot of the video titles that I have. And what I'm going to do, one second. Okay, so now we are back, and essentially what I did was I took a screenshot of the first 10 or so blog posts titles that I have and that I've already recorded, and I have uploaded it into chat. And essentially what I'm going to do, well, let's follow along. Hi Zora, now I would like you to help me create the YouTube listings for this channel. I've uploaded a screenshot of the first 10 or so titles for the videos I've created. For starting with the first 3 titles, actually starting with the first 5 titles, I would like you to use our brand identity and of course our SEO optimize phrase bank and optimize our titles, optimize our description. Also making sure that we mention our digital product, that we mention the website Coloring Kinfolk, and that we also encourage the watcher of the video to continue on to watch other videos within the playlist. Also include the tags, the categories, and anything else I may be missing or forgetting when it comes to creating a YouTube listing. Okay, so this is the output for, let's see, our first video, why I started a coloring brand powered by AI. So we have the optimized title, a description. It's pointing to my website and my links. I think this is a good first pass. It also gave me the titles, it gave me the category, and even my first pin comment idea. I think this is a good first pass, but I do have some feedback. This is a great first pass. I would say first, please remove all emojis out of this. Also, please remove any hyphens. I'd also say make sure that you are mentioning the digital workbook that is a supplement to all the videos on this channel. This digital workbook is a compilation of all of the prompts that I've used to build this brand using AI. So I want to make sure we mention that in our description. So try again. Okay, so here is the output for the updates that I gave it. While she did mention the download for the guide, I wanted to look something like this. So for the sake of this video, I will not, but you would just continue to keep iterating from here or saying, I want it to look like the first example where we call it out, but use bullets instead of emojis, something like this. But yes, other than that, that's literally how quick it could be. So from here, I would simply just copy and paste if that's something that I wanted to do. And that's pretty much it. It took us about 5 minutes.